All right, I'm the Flat Rate Master. Today we're going to talk about a new set of sockets that might be a really good option for those up in the Rust Belt. So what am I talking about? Astro Pneumatic, part number 78311. 11-piece, 3/8 drive, half-inch size socket set for undersized, swollen, or damaged bolts. If anybody's ever dealt with the swollen lug nut problem, Ford, Chrysler, pretty much anybody that uses those stupid chrome caps on lug nuts has had to deal with, you know what I'm talking about. You buy the socket that's a half size bigger or half size lower. Well, that's what this kit is. It's literally a socket set that is 0.5 millimeters bigger. So now that I'm a different shop, I deal with a lot less rust, but I still deal with the last guy. And that's where I think this kit's really gonna shine for me. Years ago, I did a video talking about sockets that really technicians don't really need SAE anymore. The Rust Belt guys ripped me apart for that one, saying they hammer on SAE sockets onto rusty bolts. Well, this is a great option. They're half size smaller and bigger, so you can find the right socket for the right situation. You know, if it's a little rusty, you go half size smaller, hammer that sucker on, get it off. And for me, I think it'll come in much more handy for the last guy, meaning the last guy that used the old cheapy Harbor Freight and messed up heads. Happens more often than you think, giving me more options that are less destructive than my current normal modus operandi, which would be twist socket, extraction socket, get it out of there, replace it. Now the half millimeter smaller is going to help with these situations where the last guy damaged the fastener, undersized it simply because, well, it's a half size smaller. Now, of course, your mileage will vary depending on how bad they boogered it up. Now, this kit is not expensive, so I think it's an easy dub to go ahead and put them in your toolbox just in case. You never know. And it might help you finish a job because you can get the bolt back in as well as out and properly torque it, which is one of my biggest problems with not replacing rounded fasteners is torquing it back. My normal method is destructive, and I think this just is a nice add-on to the ability to maybe possibly continue with the job, even though I've got damaged fasteners, so I can go back and properly torque them. Is it going to fit everything? No, but it might give you another option. So there will be an affiliate link in the description if you're looking to pick up this kit. I think it's a really good deal and really good concept, because you never know, it might come in handy. I'm all about having tools that might come in handy. So hope you enjoyed this video. As always, thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.